Have you noticed that something huge has been missing from the photography world? For years, street photographers, purists, and gear enthusiasts have been asking one single question: what happened to the Fujifilm X-Pro series? After the polarizing XPro 3 was abruptly discontinued, rumors started floating that the legendary rangefinder lineup was dead forever. There were whispers that Fujifilm had abandoned its flagship street camera to focus entirely on the X100 series and the XT line. But what if I told you that Fujifilm was not killing the XPro line, but rather taking their time to engineer an absolute masterpiece? A camera so advanced it might just be the ultimate Leica killer we have all been waiting for. Get ready, because the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is not just a rumor anymore. The latest factory leaks, supply chain data, and insider roadmaps have just revealed everything, and it is going to completely change the game. Welcome back to TechVibe, your premium source for the most authentic and cutting-edge tech leaks on the internet. If you are obsessed with top-tier camera gear and the future of digital imaging, you are exactly where you need to be. Today, we are diving deep into the massive new specifications, the structural redesign, and the highly anticipated release window for the Fujifilm X-Pro 4. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stick around until the very end, because the leaked pricing and the controversial changes to the rear LCD screen are going to shock you. Let us get right into the breakdown. To understand why the X-Pro 4 is such a massive deal, we have to look back at the legacy of this lineup. The X-Pro series has always been Fujifilm's spiritual flagship. It is the camera designed for the romantic photographer. The person who wants the tactile, analog feel of a classic rangefinder, combined with modern digital perfection. But the previous model, the XPro 3, deeply divided the community. It introduced a hidden rear screen that forced photographers to rely on the hybrid viewfinder. It was a bold, artistic statement by Fujifilm, but it alienated a lot of hybrid shooters and commercial creators who needed a standard display for practical workflow. When the camera was suddenly discontinued, a massive void was left in the premium mirrorless market. Now, fast forward to today. The leaked supply chain data and trusted industry insiders confirm that the XPro 4 is positioned to be an absolute powerhouse. Let us start with the heart of the camera. The XPro 4 is confirmed to be inheriting the phenomenal 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, paired with the high-efficiency X processor 5. This is the exact same imaging pipeline found in the critically acclaimed X-T5 and X-H2. For a rangefinder-style body, a 40 megapixel sensor is a monumental leap from the older 26 megapixel generation. It gives street photographers the immense freedom to crop heavily into their frames without losing critical sharpness or resolution. Because the XPro 4 is utilizing the 5th-generation computing architecture, insiders are reporting that it will also feature the 160 megapixel pixel shift multi-shot capability. Imagine taking a compact, rangefinder-style camera out for landscape or architectural shooting and being able to generate a massive, ultra-high-resolution file that rivals medium-format cameras. Now, let us talk about the feature that everyone has been begging for. The holy grail for street and low-light photographers, in-body image stabilization. The XPro 3 lacked IBIS, which forced users to rely on faster shutter speeds and higher ISOs in dark environments. But the leaks indicate that Fujifilm engineers have successfully miniaturized their IBIS mechanism to fit inside the sleek, flat-top body of the XPro 4. We are looking at a custom-engineered 7 to 8-stop in-body image stabilization system. This addition changes the dynamic of the camera entirely. An 8-stop IBIS system means you can comfortably shoot handheld at night with slow shutter speeds, capturing the beautiful motion blur of city traffic or walking pedestrians, all while keeping the surrounding architecture tack sharp. When you pair this stabilization with a fast prime lens, the XPro 4 transforms into an absolute low-light monster. Of course, all the resolution and stabilization in the world means nothing if you cannot lock onto your subject. Fujifilm is integrating their latest AI-driven autofocus tracking matrix into the XPro 4. This system utilizes deep learning AI to recognize and track human faces, eyes, animals, birds, and even vehicles with incredible precision. For a street photographer, this means you can shoot from the hip, trust the autofocus to instantly lock onto a passing subject's eye, and capture the decisive moment without ever bringing the camera to your face. The autofocus speed and reliability will finally match the premium build quality of the camera. Speaking of build quality and design, we have to address the elephant in the room: the rear LCD screen. As I mentioned earlier, the hidden screen of the XPro 3 was incredibly polarizing. According to the latest design leaks, Fujifilm has listened to the market feedback. The XPro 4 is rumored to ditch the hidden screen concept in favor of a more conventional, yet highly refined, articulating display. Some sources suggest a three-way tilting mechanism similar to the X-T5, which is perfect for waist-level shooting and vertical portrait orientation. This decision immediately broadens the appeal of the XPro 4. It invites hybrid shooters back into the ecosystem who loved the rangefinder style but hated the restricted screen. And despite this change, the premium aesthetics remain untouched. The chassis is expected to retain its luxurious weather-sealed magnesium alloy construction, with potential titanium elements on premium variants. It is a camera designed to take a beating on the city streets while looking like an absolute piece of jewelry. We also cannot discuss an XPro without highlighting its signature feature, the hybrid optical and electronic viewfinder. This is the soul of the camera. The XPro 4 will continue this legacy with a heavily upgraded electronic component. Leaks suggest a stunning 5.76 million OLED EVF. This ultra-high-resolution display will provide a crystal-clear, lag-free preview of your exposure in film simulations, while a simple flick of the front lever instantly switches you to the optical viewfinder for that pure, uninterrupted connection with the world unfolding in front of your lens. But what if you want to shoot video? The XPro series has traditionally been heavily biased towards still photography. However, with the integration of the X Processor 5, the XPro 4 is quietly becoming a formidable filmmaking tool. Rumors point to the inclusion of internal 6.2K video recording, alongside 4K at 60 frames per second in 10-bit 422 color. You will have a stylish, retro-inspired rangefinder camera capable of capturing cinematic, high-bitrate video footage. While it may not replace dedicated cinema rigs, having this level of video capability inside an XPro body is a massive advantage. Imagine traveling the world, capturing stunning street portraits, and seamlessly switching to video mode to record gorgeous, stabilized 6K B-roll of your surroundings. And naturally, we have to talk about color. Fujifilm's film simulations are legendary, and the XPro 4 will launch with the complete modern suite, including Reala Ace. The ability to shoot JPEGs straight out of the camera that look like scanned film is why so many professionals migrate to the Fujifilm ecosystem. With the new processor, we might even see dedicated hardware switches to make the color grading process an integral, tactile part of the physical shooting experience. So, when can we actually get our hands on this masterpiece? Extensive cross-verification of industry roadmaps shows that Fujifilm has an incredibly packed schedule for 2026. With cameras like the X-T6 also in the pipeline, executives want to ensure the XPro 4 receives the spotlight it deserves. The earliest confirmed launch window is set for the fourth quarter of 2026, specifically targeting the October to November timeframe. This late 2026 release allows Fujifilm to perfect the engineering, especially the intricate hybrid viewfinder and the new IBIS mechanics. Premium engineering commands a premium price tag. The XPro 4 is designed for the high-end enthusiast and the professional market. Leaks suggest the retail price will launch between $2,200 and $2,500 for the body alone. This firmly positions it as a flagship luxury tool, sitting above the standard lineup and rivaling the absolute best in the mirrorless space. The Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is shaping up to be a monumental achievement. It takes the romantic, tactile joy of the classic rangefinder and supercharges it with 40 megapixels, 8 stops of image stabilization, AI autofocus, and cutting-edge video specs. It is the ultimate statement piece for the modern creator. What do you think about the leaked specs of the Fujifilm X-Pro 4? Are you glad they are finally removing the hidden screen, or did you prefer the controversial design of the XPro 3? Drop a comment down below right now and let me know your thoughts. I will be reading and responding to your hot takes. If this leak breakdown brought you value, smash that like button, and do not forget to subscribe to TechVibe for the most accurate and high-quality tech news on the platform. Stay creative, keep shooting, and I will see you in the next exclusive breakdown.